Stress management and relaxation techniques. Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Nowazek. I'm a naturopathic doctor at Green Apple Healthcare in Edmonton. And in this video, I'm just going to go through some stress management techniques, some relaxation techniques that you can do at home, specifically deep breathing. Now, why did I choose deep breathing as something to share with my patients as a relaxation technique? Because it's one of the things that you can do before going to sleep, or if you wake up at night and have a difficult time getting back to sleep. It's an excellent thing to do to relax the mind and body to be able to get to sleep. So deep breathing is a simple exercise that can be done by anybody, that can help relax the entire body and the mind to help with sleep and relaxation in general. You don't have to do it just before bed going to sleep. You don't have to do it only if you wake up at night. It's a good idea to get in the habit of doing some deep breathing, and it can help relax the mind and help with your stress management. Now, the first part of deep breathing for relaxation is to find a quiet place to lie down or recline in. You can have some relaxing music going on in the background or some nature sounds going on in the background that can really help with the entire process of relaxing the entire mind and body. But find a quiet place and have some music or nature sounds in the background. Then the technique is to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now, first, what you want to do is put your hand on your stomach, on your abdomen, your lower abdomen. You don't put your hand up on your chest to do deep breathing. You put your hand on your lower abdomen. And what you want to do when you breathe in, and breathing in through the nose again, you want your lower abdomen to distend, to expand while you're breathing in. And then when you breathe out through your mouth, and you want your abdomen, your belly, to contract during the out breath. So the technique is fairly simple. Lie down, quiet place. You can have some music or nature sounds on. Have your hand on your stomach so that when you breathe in and breathe out, it's your stomach and abdomen that's moving, not your chest. And what this does is it makes sure that you're breathing through the abdomen and through the diaphragm. You're not breathing through the accessory muscles up in the chest. So again, breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. What you want to do is breathe for what's called a count of 4. Now, ideally, you want to do it for a count of 4 heartbeats. And so when lying down in a quiet place, ideally you can kind of get a sense of your heartbeat in the background. If you can't, then just use your other hand as a count signal to simulate what your heartbeat would be. And then you breathe in through your nose for a count of 4, and then you breathe out through your mouth for a count of 4, and you hold for a count of 4 at the top of your breath and at the bottom. So breathe in through your nose for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, then breathe out through your mouth for a count of 4, and hold for a count of 4, and then just keep doing that and repeating that. So what it looks like is breathing in through your nose, holding for a count of 4, out through your mouth, holding for a count of 4. I'll show you what this looks like. So that's the deep breathing technique, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth for a count of 4, holding for a count of 4 at the top and bottom of both breaths, and breathing through your abdomen. You would notice that my chest didn't rise, my shoulders didn't rise when I was doing that breathing. My hand was on my stomach, on my abdomen, to make sure that my stomach was distending and breathing deeply in through the diaphragm. So that's the technique for deep breathing relaxation. You can use that anytime you like for just trying to relax, or often used before going to bed, or if you wake up during the night to get back to sleep. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, give us a call. Look forward to more that we're producing over the next few days, so more videos to come. Thank you.